Hello guys, and welcome to this awesome video. I'm going to be showing you how to use this freezing effect. Now we can see that ice comes out of nowhere and then freezes the individual. Now you can create this particular effect for your videos by doing these few steps. The first step is to go to higgsfield.ai, because this website allows you to create the dopest um mind-blowing effects that you see, AI effects you've ever seen. Now once you're on this website, all you have to do is to click on the visual effects section, which is the first one here, not on the Higgsfield. So this is for images. Click on visual effects and you'll be brought to this page where you get to see all of the visual effects. Go and search for the freezing one and click on it. You'll be brought to a page like this where you can actually see how the effect takes place, and if it's not something you want to do, you can always go back and choose a different effect. But since we are going for freezing, just click on generate, and then we'll be brought to a page, this particular page, where we can actually just upload our image here. So if we upload our image here, we can describe the scene if we want to, then choose the model of choice. But our advice is just always leave the model as it is, because it means that those models are actually designed for that particular effect, and you changing it may not give you the best results. So you can also change the duration if you want to, or you can change the resolution if you want to. For this particular generation of 6 seconds using this particular model and this resolution, I will be using a total of 5 credits. But if you want to change it, let's say I want to do 10 seconds, you can see it's added 3 additional credits. So but if I would advise you to just go for the premium packages, I mean it's way better. But if you want to use if you're just trying out, you can use the free ones. So once you're done, click on generate and wait for like 15 to 20 minutes. It may initially show you 40 minutes, 45 minutes, sometimes an hour, but I promise you it does not take up to that. So after that, click on download, and then you can see your video in the feed like this is an example of the one I created using a different effect. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow, guys. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.